Is it really a dumb idea if it works? So far it's working. Trying to put this hay wagon in that hay wagon. Yeah, that one. Yeah. With what I got, forklift mass won't go high enough, either will the high lift tractor. And trying to make it work. And lucky enough, on the 275, the throw-out bearing decided it doesn't want to participate anymore. That's good, perfect. Now if I measured right, it'll fit in the building. And this would be a good idea.